Good morning, students. Today we shall discuss the rest of the coordinate geometry R.D. Sharma MCQ question part 2. In our first video, we have discussed the MCQ question from 1 to 8. Now, we shall discuss the number 9. Come to the number 9, a point whose abscissa is -3 and ordinate 2 lies in option A Q1 quadrant 1, Q2 quadrant 2, Q3 quadrant 3, Q4 quadrant 4. First, mark the abscissa and ordinate. Abscissa -3. Abscissa means x value. X value -3 and y value +2. So xy, the order pair is equal to -3 + 2. Now check the sign. The sign of the order pair minus plus. Minus plus which quadrant? Minus plus Q2 second quadrant. So option B is right. In number 10, the 2 points having same abscissa but different ordinate lies on option A x-axis, option B y-axis, option C a line parallel to y-axis, option D a line parallel to x-axis. Mark the question. The 2 points having same abscissa. Same abscissa means value of x same and the value of y different. Suppose, look at the diagram. Here, two perpendicular axes, x-axis and y-axis, intersect each other at the point O, which is called origin. So the plane divided in the 4 part, that is Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. Then abscissa of 2 points same. Suppose take the first point 2, 1. 2, 1. This point 2, 1. Abscissa 2 and ordinate 1. 2, 1. This point. And another point, abscissa same 2, 3. 2, 3. This point. So this line is parallel to the y-axis. When the abscissa same and ordinate different, the line parallel to y-axis. So option C is right. Next, number 11. The perpendicular distance of the point 4, 3 from the x-axis is A option 4, B option 3, C option 5, D none of these. The perpendicular distance of the point 4, 3. Now locate the point 4, 3 in the diagram. 4, 3 means take the x value 4 and the y value 3. 4, 3 means this type. This point is 4, 3. 4, 3. The perpendicular distance of the point from the x-axis. The perpendicular distance from the x-axis is equal to this value equal to the y, that is 3. Perpendicular distance to the x-axis equal to the ordinate. Ordinate means 3. 3 means in the question option B is right. Next, the perpendicular distance of the point P 4, 3 from y-axis is Option A 4, option B 3, option C 5, option D none of these. Same point. Locate the same point. 4 3, that means x4 y3, x4 and y3, the same point. The perpendicular distance of the point from the y-axis. Y-axis means this is the perpendicular distance to y-axis. This value equal to the abscissa value or x value. So 4. This point to this point. This is the perpendicular distance. This is the perpendicular distance. So this point to this point, the value of abscissa 4. So perpendicular distance of the point 4 3 is equal to 4. Remember in shortly, the perpendicular distance to the y-axis equal to the abscissa, and the perpendicular distance to the x-axis equal to the ordinate. Simply. Next, number 13. The distance of the point P 4 3 from the origin is option A 4, option B 3, option C 5, option D 7. Look at the point, same point 4 3. The distance of the point from the origin. This is the point 4 3. The distance of the point from the origin. If you join this point to the origin, this is the distance between the given point and the origin. Now, let the point is equal to A and this is B. Now OAB is a triangle which is right angle triangle. As this is the perpendicular distance to the x-axis, the perpendicular distance, this distance equal to the ordinate, that is 3, and this point to this point which is equal to 4. In the right angle triangle, two sides are 3 and 4. So the distance between the point A and O, which is equal to the hypotenuse of the right angle triangle. So H is equal to P square plus B square root over, which is equal to P value 3 square, B value 4 square root over. That means 9 plus 16 root over 25 root over equal to 5. So the distance of the point from the origin is 5, option C is right. Next, number 14. Very important question. The area of the triangle formed by the point A 20, B 60 and C 46 is option A 24 square unit, option B 12 square unit, option C 10 square unit, and option D none of these. Here 3 vertex of a triangle given. So it will form a triangle. Mark the 2 point A and B. In the 2 point A and B, the ordinate same 0 0. When the ordinate same, the point lie on the x-axis. The A and B lie on the x-axis. Remember, when the ordinate same, the 2 points lie on the x-axis. Now, look at the diagram. Ordinate same A20, mark the point A20. A20 means this point. 20 A. This point is A20. And B 6 0. This point is B. 6 0. Yes or no? Let us take another number. Suppose a point is M. This point is M. This point is N. This point is N. First, now given AB, so take another diagram here. A point is equal to 2 0. Another diagram. This is the A 2 0. B point 6 0. This is the B point, and another point C, which is equal to 4 6. Another point 4 6. 4 6 means 4 6. This point 4 6. Join the 2 point ABC. Join the point ABC. A point 2 0. B point 6 0. C point 4 6. You have to find the area of the triangle. Now, from the point C, draw the perpendicular. This is the perpendicular, this is the perpendicular. That means the perpendicular distance from C to x-axis equal to the perpendicular distance from the C to x-axis equal to the ordinate. So this is the 6. The perpendicular from the point C to the x-axis or base equal to the ordinate value. Ordinate value here 6, abscissa 4, the perpendicular is 6, and the base this point to this point 6. The distance between AB 6 minus 2 equal to 4. So base is equal to 4. So area of this triangle is equal to half into base into height. Half into base into height equal to half base 4 height 6. Cancel 2 4 2 6 into 2 12 square unit. Finish. Next number 12 square unit. So option B is right. Option B is right. Next, question number 15. Question number 15 like this. The area of the triangle formed by the points P 01, Q 05 and R 34 is 16 square unit, 8 square unit, 4 square unit and D 6 square unit. First look at the point PQ. The 2 point P and Q, abscissa same, of x value same, 0 0, abscissa same, abscissa 0 0, abscissa same means the 2 points lie on the y axis. And now draw the diagram. P01, P01, 01 means this point is P01. Q05, 05 means this point Q, PQ. The base is on the y axis. Another point 34, x34 means x3, y4. This point 34. This is the R. Join the point R to P and Q. PQ. So PQR, this is the required triangle. We have to find the area of the triangle. Now mark the perpendicular. This is the perpendicular. The perpendicular from the point R to y axis equal the value of x. Value of x means value of abscissa, which is equal to 3. So perpendicular is equal to 3. So base is equal to P1 Q5. Base is equal to 5 minus 1 equal to 4. And the perpendicular height is equal to h is equal to 3. So area equal to half into base into height. Half into base 4, height 3. Cancel 2 into 3, 6 square unit. So option D is right. Finish. Thank you for watching.